A quick tip. This is Diane, Material Girl 338. What I did was I had a whole big thing of carrots. Got them at Costco, and I want to preserve them. So I sliced them in my slicing machine. My husband sliced it. The multi-slicer machine thingy, with my husband's help. And so we slice them, and then what you do is you boil them in boiling water 60 seconds. Show you what it looks like. Boiling water. Take them out after 60 seconds. Put them in a strainer and run cold water on them, and then drain them. Get all the water out of it, and then you put them in a plastic bag and you freeze them. Okay, when you need them, you want your carrots. I use my strainer thingy, and I put this in the pot, put a little bit of water underneath it, and then I steam them, and then I have carrots. Or you don't have to use that. You can use them for dishes. Like I make beef stew, and I make soups, and I need carrots, I put them right in. Okay, so this is a quick tip. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, please post them below. I like interacting with my fellow YouTubers. And please subscribe to my channel, because I always have other videos coming in. So now I'm doing the quick tips, and I think that it's much easier because people don't have the time to sit and listen to like 5 or 6 minutes. Sometimes the videos are 20 minutes. But this is something to preserve your carrots. Okay, thank you guys. Bye.